Hey yo, what's up you guys? So today I want to be talking about a product that I have been researching for quite some time to share my social media and also like my business. And it's kind of just tough to do that with just your business cards because people will just toss them away these days. But that is why I did my research and I found a product called Dot. Now Dot is going to allow you to not only share your socials and your business, it's going to be the easiest way possible just to do so. So let's go ahead and let's unbox this and let's talk about it. This is the future of networking. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Oh, that's a nice little opening. It's like a little just whoosh. All right, let's go to instructions. Okay, activate start guide. All right, let's get this started. But of course, we do have to check out the card. So ooh, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this green color is so nice. Oh yeah, this is gonna work out. So I'm excited to set this up. Let me show you guys how to set that up. I'm gonna go ahead and grab your card right here, grab your phone. It's gonna scan that card. Go ahead and open up that website right there. We are gonna click activate my card. It's gonna say sign up for activate. Go ahead and sign up. Let me just go ahead and enter all my information. After you have your card and you enter all your information, you click sign up. You're gonna go ahead and continue to sign up. There we go. And then we are going to go ahead and select gaming, creative, and video creator. Then click continue, username. After many attempts in trying to put in my username, it just would not work, but now I got it. So let's go ahead and click create profile, device name. So here's going to be your link. It's going to be dot.link. .code is going to be your code. .device is going to be the card that you currently have. At the main page, when it takes you, you can set a profile picture and also your banner alongside with all of your information right here. Yeah, so right when you're at your page, I still have some setting up to do and I'm excited to set this up and actually use it. But you're going to be able to just click on it and it's going to take you right to wherever you want them to go to, whether it's your website, your YouTube channel, or maybe even all your social medias. Let's go ahead and switch cameras and talk about this a little bit more. Being able to talk about these was honestly probably one of my favorite things. And then also I've been looking into this to share all my social media and my business with some friends, family, and also new people that I meet that are always asking like, oh, do you have social media? Do you have a business or anything like that? I go ahead and just pull this out now and it can be used. So I'm excited for that. And a few things about this card is that you only need one. You don't need multiple cards to share all your information. This card is going to work on Android, iPhone, and basically any other device that has a camera and could read a QR code or just has NFC. Like you don't even need an app just to use it. It's just automatically just pops up straight to the phone. It's built with pretty great quality, so it's gonna last you a good lifetime. And also there are some metal ones and a few other ones, and there's also many colors: blue, red, black. I do plan on checking out some of the metal ones and then also the wristband, so I'm pretty excited for that in the future. So if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know down in the comments below. But alright guys, so until next time on my next video, go ahead and leave a comment down below letting me know if this card is for you, because I know it's definitely for me because I do make many friends. I am very talkative, and I know it's gonna be a lot easier to share almost everything now. So thank you guys, peace out. I did want to mention this at the end of the video, coming from me personally. I mean, this whole video was from me personally, but I did want to say that this card is really a big help to me with friends, family, and also just like sharing things with other people. So my personal thing, I know there's going to be different opinions, but I highly love this. I highly enjoy this. So yeah guys, but let me know what you guys think, and I do hope that you guys check it out. So yeah, all right guys, for the final time, I'm heading out. Peace.